Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a payment method in the AusPost application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Now you should wait a little bit until the app loads in. After you are in the home page, you should select the third option down below, which is account. And after doing so, you can see in this page the first option, which is your account. You can see your name there as well. Press on it and you will see your account details here. And up here you can see the second option, which is update your details. Press on it. You should wait a little bit until the new page loads in. And here you should select the fourth option, which is payment methods. And in case you have a card here, you can it will be shown here. In case you don't have, you can just press add the card, and you have to write in here the card number, the expiry date, and the protection code. After that is done, all you have to do is just press add card down below and your card will be added to the payment method section. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.